Yeah, guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. I want to give it a shout out to Kevin from Poetic Case. These are the new and latest Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what other cases look like. By the way, I'll be including the links I was going to show you within the description, so you guys could check them out later on. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So check out this one. This one's the Poetic Guardian Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Black Clear, and these are made in China. So I got this nice case. It is designed in USA and made in China. Got the Poetic branding right there. And their P logo. Wow, look at this. Pretty nice. You got the top polycarbonate frame right there. It is in a glossy finish gray color. And you got a clear backing. And then you have this flap right here to protect the dust, water, lint, or sand to get into the charging port, give you extra protection. The microphone cutout and speaker grill, and then the stylus. There's another microphone cutout right here on the top section. And then your protective volume rocker and your power switch. Go and check out the top of the frame right here. Here's a pretty nice finish. It's glossy on the side as well. And it seems like it doesn't wobble, which is good. There's your Poetic brand right there. You got a little bit accent of gray tone right there on the backing. Got the nice aesthetic. Alright, so that's that one. Let's go ahead and check out the second one. This one's the Poetic Revolution for Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Blue. Got the nice same packaging. So this one, you got the blue tone right here on the top of the frame. Kind of give you guys side-by-side comparison real quick. And you got the more rigid on the corner right here. And then on the bottom, you also have this flap for your USB Type-C charging port. And your protective buttons. Microphone hole again. And then the backing, it is in blue as well. So this is nice. This will sit flat on the table surface. And you have this nice bifold kickstand. Yeah, this one doesn't wobble. Go ahead and take out the. You gotta pry this out to open it, or you push it down. Yeah, this one's kind of hard. Gonna make sure the TPU doesn't grab on the top of the frame on the side right here. Gotta disengage it or dislodge. Make sure you get it open on both sides. And there you go. And then this one has a drop protection, military standard drop test. And then you got this nice honeycomb design right there on the inside. Right here is like a TPU. And this is just a polycarbonate plastic. Okay, let's go ahead and move on to the next one. Alright, so this one is the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra Guardian series. And it is black and clear. Should get my scissor. Oh, so this packaging is different. This is more like a traditional. So the one on the right hand side is for the regular Note 20, and then one on the left hand side is for the Note 20 Ultra. Yeah, you got the same flat right here. And it is in a gray, glossy finish again. Somehow this one looks darker gray compared to the Note 20. And it doesn't seem like it's wobbling, so which is good. Because other cases that I test out, it does wobble because of the hump on the raised up camera, around the camera section. And then this one is the Revolution. Go and check this one out. Wow, this one is all blacked out. So it is similar to the blue one, except this one is all black, and this one has drop protection, military standard. And you got the same honeycomb texture. Got the protective button again, bifold kickstand. Yeah, so it is same design. Go ahead and take this out. Yeah, this one might be hard to take it out, or harder. There you go. Make sure you separate it. Alright, so I'm going to test out the Note 20 Ultra 5G real quick. Alright, so I'm going to test out this one first. You want to go and then match up with the button side first, and then just snap it in on the other side. Make sure you tilt this in an angle. The top goes in first. After that, just press on both ends, and then all the way to the bottom to go in, and then that's it. Okay. And see, it does not wobble, which is pretty good. Alright, so we're going to test out on the other case now. And to remove it, you want to go ahead and start the one without the buttons. Because this button, it will easy to come out if you don't pry it correctly. Oops. And then you do the same thing. The top goes in first. All right, there you go. That's it. Nice. So you got this raised up for more protection, and it will allow you to sit on the table or any surface, flat surface, without any wobbling, which is a pretty awesome design. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop me in the comments on below. And I'll be including the links that's going to show you within the description, so you guys could check them out. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always, peace.